Let us multiply 98 with 93 using base multiplication method of Vedic math. Both the numbers are near to 100, so we are just writing our base as 100. 98 is 2 less than 100 and 93 is 7 less than 100. We can do cross subtraction here. Say this 98 minus 7 or 93 minus 2. That will give the first part of our answer, which is 91. We have to multiply 2 with 7, which is 14, and our answer will be 9114. It is that simple. If this question comes to you, you can even answer it mentally. Just with a little practice, you can say, my answer will be 8178. So all the computations, all the calculations near number 100 will become extremely easy for you.